Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to register a company in Malaysia. First, select a unique name for your company. Ensure it's not already in use. For registering a company in Malaysia, you'll typically choose the private limited company structure, also known as Sendirian Berhad or Sdn Bhd. It's the most common and ideal for most businesses. For a private limited company, appoint at least one director who resides in Malaysia and identify your shareholders. Submit your company registration application through SSM's online portal. Once approved, you'll receive the Certificate of Incorporation from SSM. With your certificate, open a corporate bank account to manage your company's finances. Depending on your business activities, apply for the necessary licenses and permits. Register your company with the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia for tax purposes. Congratulations! You're now ready to start your business journey in Malaysia.